Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download TikTok video. Keep watching this video until the very end so that you won't make any mistake in the process. Now, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's move on to the video. Now, to download your video, you need to open up your TikTok app and then pick the video that you want to download. Once you pick the video, tap on share button to the right side of your screen, and from the menu tap on copy link option. Once your link get copied, head over to the web browser and there search for snaptik.app and then paste the link that you have copied from TikTok and tap on download button. Now again tap on download button. Here our video has been downloaded. Now to see the video, head over to the gallery on your device and here you can see the video that we have downloaded. And that's how easily and quickly you can download TikTok video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today and I will see you in the next one.